Hello everyone, I'm Vaishnavi. I got graduated from Vardhaman College of Engineering, Hyderabad, and I have been working in SmartBridge from the past 6 months. And throughout these 6 months, I have gained many technologies knowledge, and I have worked on multiple projects. Here, before coming here, I was having small knowledge on AI and ML. After doing internship in SmartBridge, I have worked on many domains and machine learning, deep learning, and white coding, which is an emerging technology in recent times, and also prompt engineering, so on. Like this, gain practical knowledge also. My team lead and my mentors help me a lot while I'm working in these projects. Any kind of issue I have faced, they have helped me to solve that. And also, working in SmartBridge is a great thing for me. It helped me a lot. I'm very thankful for SmartBridge for giving me this opportunity.